Welcome to Disney. Today we're reviewing the B&B Hotel near Disneyland Paris, a budget-friendly option for Disney enthusiasts. Let's find out why this hotel might be the perfect base for your magical getaway. Located on the same stretch as other popular off-site hotels, such as Grand Magic and Dream Castle, the B&B Hotel is just a short shuttle ride to the magic of Disneyland Paris. This hotel offers a basic but comfortable base for park-goers. The lobby is fairly small with a Disneyland Paris backdrop for photos and a cute mini carousel for kids, but not much else. While we often talk about theming in our hotel reviews, this budget-friendly option doesn't really have one. We arrived late in the evening, so check-in was quick and easy, but I can imagine the lobby could get quite crowded and overwhelming during peak times. The rooms here are plain and simple, but functional. Family rooms can accommodate up to 5 guests with a double bed, single beds and bunk beds. We had a triple and a quadruple room for our stay. Each room includes essentials like a flat screen TV, free Wi-Fi and a compact bathroom. There weren't many plug sockets, so I would definitely recommend bringing a travel adapter with built-in USB and USB-C ports if you've got lots of electronics to charge. Tea and coffee making facilities also aren't included, but you can purchase them at an extra cost. The rooms here don't have key cards like most other hotels, but a code on the door, so I would definitely recommend taking a picture of this code just in case you lose the piece of paper with the code written on. Now, let's talk food. We had both dinner and breakfast in the food hall here. As we were staying for 2 nights, we were offered a €5 restaurant voucher in exchange for skipping housekeeping, which was a nice touch. Dinner options included pizza, pasta and salads. We went for the meal deal, which included a pizza, a soft drink and a cookie. Adult meals were €19 and children's meals were €9.90. The food was okay, nothing special, but hit the spot after a long travel day. If you're arriving earlier, I'd recommend heading into Disney Village for much better dining options. The bar is also located in this area and offers a selection of drinks and snacks. A continental breakfast buffet is included with your stay. Think pastries, bread, cereals, juices. It can get very busy, so we ate at 7:30 a.m. each day. We are rope droppers after all, and it was lovely and quiet. The food selection isn't as varied as what you'd find at the pricier hotels, but breakfast was actually much better than dinner. One thing to note is that you cannot bring bags into the breakfast hall. They provide free lockers to store your things. This is to prevent guests from making packed lunches. That said, the hotel does offer a packed lunch service if you would like one prepared. On to the amenities now, and the hotel has a small arcade for kids and some outdoor areas for them to stretch their legs, but there is no swimming pool here. There is also a vending area with snacks, hot food, drinks and travel essentials. A small souvenir shop is located in reception with some fun Disney items including lounge fly bags displayed in glass cabinets. The hotel offers free parking to guests and a shared shuttle service to Disneyland Paris. Be aware that it's the same shuttle that's used by other nearby hotels, so it can get crowded, especially after the fireworks. Keep an eye on your belongings as pickpockets have also been spotted at the shuttle stops. Overall, the B&B Hotel is a great choice if you're simply looking for a place to crash after a long day in the parks. At £124 for a Saturday night in August, compared to almost £100 more for a stay at, say, Grand Magic, it is a solid value. If you're the type who just needs a clean bed and a quick breakfast, this place is perfect. However, if you're looking for a hotel with more personality and amenities to enjoy during the day, you might want to look at other options like Dream Castle or Explorers, especially if you're travelling with younger kids. So that wraps up our quick review of the B&B Hotel at Disneyland Paris. We have got loads more hotel reviews and Disneyland Paris content on our channel, so if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that notification bell. So that's Hannah signing off for Disney. Thank you for being our guest, and until next time, just keep swimming.